We're gonna do an updated hair video of how I get my hair to stay up. I actually use a brush now, so that's a major change. This is what I'm using now. My hair is wet right now. I'm gonna spray it with this guy. It says it only takes 7 minutes to blow dry. To be honest, I mostly use it because it smells amazing. Never actually tried to see if it does cut the blow drying time. But it just smells, oh my God, amazing. It's also a heat protected. I kind of like having these pieces go in this direction. So when blow drying, I'm gonna kind of direct them in this direction. Only like the shorter pieces on the side. Oops, pop the fuse. Leave it up to me to burn the house down. Let's see. Ah, we're back. What a difference lighting makes. I want to introduce the round brush while your hair is still damp. So what I like doing is do that. As you can see, it's already taking shape. We want that. I know what you're gonna say. What about the back? I'm gonna do the back. And then I'm gonna show you guys the back because I never care about the back. I don't see the back, so why do we care? My hair feels pretty dry now. I'm gonna flat iron it because I like my ends to be super straight. And this is the flat iron I've been using for years. You probably have seen it in other videos. It's the GHD one. Amazing flat iron. I've had it for years. I dropped it daily, so it has passed the drop test. It has only one button, so you know when it heats up. It makes that sound when it turns on. And then when it's ready, I'll make another beep. It's ready. See how quickly it heats up? One of my current holy grail hair products. K18, this one, and the leave-in mask, they have saved my hair. Almost out. I'm out of the mask. I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm out of this one. But my hair drinks this stuff. It loves it. It has a very soft scent. It's not, I would say it's more unscented than anything. And this is the leave-in mask. I'm out. I even like broke the cap and then took everything that was in there because this shit is expensive. Sometimes I'll like curl the ends. When my hair is longer, I will curl the ends because then it's too long to stay up. So then you just do this. So it goes in. Do I even make sense? The back, it depends. If the back is shorter, I'll like, I have to show you. If it's shorter, like I'll push these up. Right now it's short, so I'll like blow dry it up. But when that part is longer, I'll just like blow dry it down. I've talked about this many times. Dirty hair is easier to style. So what I like doing, I had freshly washed my hair today. I'm gonna put dry shampoo in my hair to give it that dirty look. And today I'm gonna use one of my all-time favorite dry shampoos and the brand in general, the Vegamore. All their products are amazing. The hair serum, the shampoo, the conditioner, they have eyelash serum, they have eyebrow serum. Everything by this brand is high quality. So this gives your hair grit and texture. which makes it easier to style and it will just hold the style. You can use any dry shampoo you like. I'm going to do a video on my favorite dry shampoos if that will help you. Any favorite hairsprays? Today we'll use this one. I've also been loving this Amika one. Section your hair. It doesn't have to be perfect. Use your round brush, do this, and spray the hairspray to the roots like that. If your hair is longer and it's like flopping on top, you would put it on top too. Have your blow dryer. Now on the front. Okay. In the center, out. This is what I do to the center. Okay. I will go again. Take my hairspray. Just do that. Just to make sure it stays up. You're gonna need a hair wax. I have many favorites. I like that one. I just got this one. And my all-time favorite is this guy. It still is my favorite. Let's just use my favorite today. I mean, I love the Amika one too. So you just take that much. Warm it up in your hand. And remember how I said I'd like the size to do that? So I'll do that. Just run it on top of your hair first. This product, I like to just put it on the ends. And then I do like a little twisty motion in the ends because then it just gives it a nice separated look. This is the part that you just play around with it until you get the desired look. And whatever is left on my hand, which looks like there's a lot left, I'll just put it on the sides. If your sides are longer and they get poofy, you can just take the hairspray, put it in your hand, and then you can just put that on the side and it will just lay them flat. What I always say is, don't be afraid to play around. It doesn't have to be perfect. And once you get to your desired look, grab a texturizing spray. I'll use this one today. And you just, this, by the way, smells like luxury. And you just spray your hair. Since everyone's always dying to see the back, I'm going to show you the back. So you get off my back. Did I get it? This is what the back looks like. Are you happy? Are you happy? I'm so late. I'm going to go get dressed. I hope you guys loved this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you soon. Wait, I hope I didn't have anything on my teeth.